Hey, welcome back. Today we're making a refreshing juice today, which is watermelon, mint, lemon, and lime. It has so many benefits of drinking watermelon juice, and some of those may consist of help with gut inflammation, balance your pH, keep you hydrated longer, and improve libido. And it also lowers your blood sugar. So the four ingredients that we have again is mint, lemons, 2 lemons, 3 limes, and watermelon. Now, I could not find a watermelon that has seeds in it. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna go to 5, 6, 7, 8 grocery stores to find a watermelon with seeds. Unfortunately, because watermelon with seeds is sweeter, but this don't do today. And with watermelon, so one of the key things with watermelon is it's a hydration powerhouse. It consists of 90%, almost 90% water, and it has a treasure trove of vitamins and antioxidants such as lycopene. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this open, and we're using the Rockstar Kitchen knife. And you guys, if you don't have this knife set, listen, you should get it, because look at this. Just look at this. Ooh, no struggle whatsoever. All right, so I'm only gonna start off with half. So I'm gonna cut out this. Still gonna use these pieces because the trimmings also have some great benefits in it as well. So we're not gonna waste this. I personally just like to chop it all off, make it an even, pretty cut. I've been drinking this watermelon juice for about 3 days now, and I've already lost 4 pounds. All right, just gonna half. Then we're gonna put that in a juicer. So now that we have that, now I'm gonna do our limes and our lemons. And these are our citrus champions. So it's gonna give you great bursts of vitamin C. And also, baby, this make your skin look flawless, okay? And I just love lemon and lime in anything. I put in my water. I love lemons, I love limes, I love all things citrus. And the citrulline in this is gonna be great for your skin, for your immune support. So now that we have our peels out of the way, we have our watermelon, we have our lime, and we have our mint. So I'm gonna add it to my juicer, which is the Namba J2. I know this juicer is a pretty penny, but listen, let me tell you, it's worth every $600. Every dollar. Listen, it's worth every dollar. It's so easy to put together. It's so easy to clean. The juice tastes amazing. So now I want to add in the watermelon. Add in one of the limes and one of the lemons. I'm gonna add one more lime and some mint. And now I'm gonna turn this bad boy on and let the magic happen. So here we go. And as you can see, we're literally less than 2 minutes. Look how much juice I got. All right, here we go. Here comes the magic, baby. Ooh, yeah. All right, now we need to add the rest. All right, so now that we have our freshly pressed watermelon, mint, lemon, and lime juice, I'm gonna go ahead and give a nice taste test. I made a mess, but hey, that's nothing new. There we go. this is more than just a drink. This is wellness and refreshment all in just one nice blend. So, so good. This is one of my favorite things to juice. I love it. You should definitely give it a try. So here's the Vibrant Health, a refreshing drink that is full of wellness, antioxidants, vitamins, great for my immune system. But also, I only spent less than $8 for all these ingredients, and I'm gonna get at least 4 to 6 servings of juice out of this, out of these ingredients. So cheers to that for saving money. And also make sure you check out our episode on Culinary Conversations where my husband and I are drinking this delicious juice. And we're also talking about finances. So definitely check it out. And until next time, bye.